Good hello. Someone asked me what their sun line means. There's quite a bit going on here. So first of all, there is a health line, and from that health line, there is a blockage, an obstacle that is causing this health line to become wavy. That shows the strenuousness, the difficulty for this person to make money. Clearly, there is or are health obstacles getting in the way of this person creating their financial success. The headline branches upwards and towards outer Mars. This is always someone who's trying to secure a financial future. Notice how after this time the sun line becomes more stabilized, it's deeper, it's stronger. There is still difficulty here with it kind of bending and bowing, but with the support of loved ones, this sun line is strengthened and the roots of it are stabilized. At the age of late 50s, I would say maybe 58, 59, this person really reaches the peak of their financial security. From this point onwards, there are two income streams. Now, interestingly, in their late 60s, there looks to be an obstacle from one success crossing the path of another. Now, what this shows us is inheritance. Someone in the family dies. This is bittersweet because although it affects this person's happiness, it also increases their wealth. Now, being that this is the right hand, it shows us the physical, the practical, and the material. It is very possible that this is in fact a health condition or issue that is causing this disruptance towards happiness and the overall achievement of success. Notice how this line reaches down, touches the heart line, and at the same time there is a break in the heart line. After this time, late 60s and onwards, things stabilize in their career and everything looks absolutely fine again. The ability for this person to continue achieving and gaining success resumes, and there are, in fact, three income streams that stabilize and become one. Essentially, the palm is predicting that this income stream will still be possible at this time, but this income stream will be made more difficult to be achieved. And you can literally read the career line alongside the sun line at this time. You can see that it becomes difficult for this person to earn through this particular income stream. However, things do work out, things do level out, and this person continues a strong and stable and successful, rewarding career right up into their 70s and even changes career path or having still some sort of influence in their field later on in life. This branching upwards of the headline is a sign, a strong sign of someone who is in need of making money. And that desperate sort of need, that hard working ethic can sometimes put our health at risk. And you can see the career line after this time is, there's a real struggle here. This person is not making as much money as they should be, and they are potentially putting their health at risk. And that's what's created this kind of, overall square around their career at this time. Squares are always protective in palmistry. That's a good thing, but the reason why it's there is not a good thing. This person is potentially working too hard at this time onwards. That's probably about the age of 38 onwards, right up to the age of 53. This person is working far too hard to make their success, and that's why the success line is on the wavy side until the age of late 50s. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. Please subscribe.